In the surging tide of development of the times, there is such a shining pearl. Qingdao Zaili Electric Power Equipment Company Limited, which is shouldering its mission with extraordinary strength and creating a new era of power equipment manufacturing. Uniquely endowed, connected to all directions, Qingdao Zaili Electric Power Equipment Company Limited was established in 2015. Its predecessor was Zaili Steel, which was engaged in the steel raw material trading industry. In 2015, Zaili switched to physical production. In 2019, Zaili was shortlisted for China Southern Power Grid Company Limited, in 2020 for State Grid Corporation of China, and in 2023 for Inner Mongolia Electric Power Group Company Limited, becoming their qualified suppliers and supplying goods. Moving forward with honor, witnessing strength, Zaili has successfully won authoritative certifications such as ISO series and CE certifications, and obtained quality inspection certificates for core products such as 500 kilovolts and below high voltage transmission line towers, 220 kilovolts tapered tubular steel poles, 500 kilovolts and below steel tubular towers, and 500 kilovolts steel tubular substation structures. Zaili has been awarded the honors of innovation and development such as Qingdao High-Tech Enterprise, specialized and sophisticated enterprises that produce new and unique products, high-end industry quality partner, outstanding contribution unit, innovative small and medium enterprises, and won comprehensive honors such as AAA Credit Enterprise and Qingdao Famous Brand Enterprise. At the same time, Zaili has achieved fruitful results in the field of technological innovation and has obtained more than 20 invention patents and 32 utility model patent certificates. Zaili is located in Jiaolai Industrial Park, Jiaozhou City, Shandong Province, with a superior geographical location and convenient sea, land, and air freight. There are 2 factories with a total area of nearly 100,000 square meters, an annual order of 70,000 tons, and an annual output value of 500 million. Unique craftsmanship, diversified navigation. With its outstanding business wisdom and fighting spirit, Zaili has rapidly grown into an industry leader and a well-known manufacturer of steel-related products. Zaili carefully designs, develops, and manufactures transmission line towers, covering ultra-high voltage transmission towers of various voltage levels from 10 kilovolts to 750 kilovolts, substations, communication towers, torch towers, observation towers, steel structures, cableways, jumping platforms, photovoltaic brackets, agricultural and engineering machinery accessories, mining machinery, and other diversified businesses to fully meeting market demand. Strict control, quality first. Quality is the eternal belief of Zaili. Zaili has a complete physical and chemical laboratory with professional equipment such as spectrometers, impact testers, hydraulic testers, impact specimen notch projectors. Well-equipped, efficient pioneer, Zaili has more than 200 top-notch equipment, including 3 flat laser cutting machines, 1 profile laser cutting machine, 1 3,200 tons bending machine, 2 welding robots, 60 carbon dioxide shielded welding machine, 12 angle steel tower production lines, 1 jointing machine, 1 shaping machine, 1 internal submerged arc machine, 2 external submerged arc machines, and 2 riveting welding platforms, etc. Internal and external cultivation, internationally renowned. In recent years, Zaili has continuously expanded the international market, and has signed long-term cooperation framework agreements with customers in Myanmar, Norway, Canada, Australia, and other countries. The products are exported to dozens of countries, including the United States, the Philippines, Cambodia, Indonesia, Uzbekistan, Russia, Ireland, France, Kenya, and so on. With high-quality product quality, fast delivery, and high-quality after-sales service, Zaili has won wide praise and deep trust from customers in the international market. Benefiting the world, responsibility and action. For many years, Zaili has always adhered to the people-oriented principle, actively promoted employment, and interpreted the social responsibility and commitment of the enterprise with practical actions. A century of pursuing dreams, grand plans. Looking into the future, Zaili will continue to adhere to the concept of surviving by reputation, developing by quality, and focusing on customer service, and cherish every opportunity to work with customers. Zaili people are full of pride, taking the construction of a century of Zaili as the grand mission, and moving forward bravely towards the goal of building the world's best power tower production company and Zaili service brand.